Super weather.
Good Saturday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell. Foggy start to the morning, mainly concentrated over the coastal and near coastal communities, but we are warming up this afternoon. I'm talking about daytime highs trending about 10 to even 20 degrees above their seasonal averages, but we are cooling down next week. Will we see some rain? More details on that in just a moment. Here's a look at the visibility map. Just before 6 a.m. on Saturday, you can see where that dense fog is concentrated, particularly along the north coast, Oceanside, and Encinitas, but also inland near Mira Mesa, Miramar. You know what to do in these situations. Just make sure you're increasing your following distance out there on the roads. Low beams turned on and slow down. Even give yourself a few extra minutes to get to where you're going today. For your coastal forecast, taking you out to Oceanside. Again, mentioned the dense fog there this morning, lingering through about 8:30 into 9 o'clock. By that point, we should expect some of those clouds to kind of linger at that mid to high level. Temperature wise, we're right around those mid 50s by 7 a.m., upper 50s by 8. We'll climb into those 60s. We'll settle into temperatures near the low 70s. Moderate rip current risk for today. Please be careful if you're getting in the water, swimming, surfing. Do that near a lifeguard tower. Wave heights today from 2 to 4 feet. Your water temperature from about the mid 60s. And here's a look at El Cajon this morning. You can see we have temperatures right around the mid 50s here. Not too bad. We'll stay close to that through about 7 o'clock, climb into those low 60s by 8. As we get into the afternoon hours, you can see we don't waste a lot of time. We climb into those 80s, and we are anticipating some areas across the interior to reach the 90s. But back at the coastline, you get a mix. 60s and 70s over the downtown region, could be trending closer to 80 degrees for your Saturday. And back to the interior, you can see those 90s widespread across that region. 70s and 80s today for the mountain communities, right around triple-digit heat for the desert region. And here's a look at tomorrow. So you can actually see that your daytime highs will be trending above the seasonal average still. Same range, right around 10 to 20 degrees above norm. And as we get into this upcoming week, I mentioned, could we see rain? There's still a slight chance. It's not looking great for San Diego County, but as you can see here with this particular map, it shows that maybe we could get some precipitation. It's still pretty early to tell, but just to give you an idea, the chance is not zero. But also it's not looking pretty good for San Diego County. But here's a look at the 10-day forecast. You can see those temperatures trending down. It'll be kind of comfortable as we get into midweek, towards the end of the week. We're talking some 70s, increased cloud cover, and that'll be from the coast to the valleys. Look at the difference between Saturday and Thursday for the interior. Nearly 20 degrees cooler. That'll feel nice. Easter Sunday looks great. It'll be warmer in some cases, especially over your inland valley communities. Here is a look at your mountain communities. Those temperatures taking a break from the heat. Back to the low 60s we go. You can see for the desert region too. Also getting back into some low to mid 80s as we round out the week. Again, Easter Sunday looks really nice for both of those areas as well. Have a great day.
Don't forget your umbrella.